I had some difficulty in pronouncing it, but I will still try. Ka tip brew tip blind. I don't know if it's making sense. Ka tip brew tip blind. If you want to know God, know man first. Meaning, to know man is to know God. So if you really are keen to live your life with the blessing of God, live with knowing man. So I salute Khasi people for this one brilliant guiding wisdom that we've heard. The second, Ka Khamai Ya Ka Hok. I hope you're not laughing at my pronunciation. But Ka Khamai Ya Ka Hok is very important to me. You earn righteousness, meaning doing business with integrity actually resonates with the core of responsible, sustainable business practices. Katip Kurtip Ka. I hope I'm all right. Respect for kinship and community. So unless the essence of what all of us are doing is reflective of the respect that we have for our relatives, for our people, for our community, from where we grew, from where we learned our values and virtues, what use is it if I succeed? So, Kartip Kurtip Ka. We have to respect kinship and community. And again, thanks for the wisdom of the Khasi people for having come up with these golden words. The next, Ka Blang Balang Ka Imlang. I'm okay? Ka Balang Ka Imlang. Meaning what you do should be for the common good. You cannot be so righteous, or you cannot be so clever, or you cannot be so successful that you succeed, but you succeed at the cost of somebody else. You succeed, but your community gets nothing of it. You succeed, but it's not for the common good, it's purely for your selfish good. No, Khasi people have in their wisdom said, do what is for the common good. Of course you do for your good as well. But do for common good is a foundational principle, which is what is today's sustainability, shared prosperity. You get all this from the Western world today. But the wisdom of our people cannot be forgotten. We have to remind ourselves that wisdom of Khasi language. And the final point is May Ramu. May Ramu. May Ramu. Ramu. And there's something else, one more bit. Ki Rinkau Ki Basa. Reverence for nature. Absolutely important in this day and age when we are talking about climate action. There's no point if we forget to respect nature. That's what has given us the blue sky, the green, valleys, the mountains with the wonderful trees, the wonderful freshwater streams, the lakes, the beauty of Meghalaya, the clouds. You're passing through clouds every day. What fortunate people to live in Meghalaya. Breathing fresh air, drinking water which quenches the thirst. I cannot but every time I drink water in Meghalaya say this. Water quenches thirst in Meghalaya. There are places where I drink water, it fills my belly, but no, thirst is still there in my tongue. Beautiful state, beautiful people, wonderful blessing of the nature, and that's why you have said in your language, respect nature. Mai Ramu Ki Rinkau Ki Basa. Wonderful message. I'm sharing your message to you. Pardon me if it is some kind of a transgression, but this is what I think I would take away home, because these are messages which are very relevant for today's governance, and the ancient wisdom of the people of this land is relevant even today for all of us. Thank you very much.